Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can mark your tasks as complete or done in your projects on GanttPro. So let us dive into this. So guys, there are several ways how you can do this. No matter which way you go, you will need to access your GanttPro account first and navigate to your project. And it depends pretty much on the view you're currently using. Let's say, for example, you're using the Gantt chart view for your project. This will give you access to that list of tasks below. And one way to mark them as complete would be to simply click into the given status cell here and switch from open in progress to done or closed. For example, if you created a custom status in your account settings, you can go with done or closed. That's one way. The other option would be to simply navigate, let's say, to the list view or the board view. And here, move the given task from one of these columns, open in progress, to done or closed here. And to release your mouse here. And that is going to move the given task to that status and automatically also change the status for the given task, guys. And that's it. That's how we do it. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.